This is a Delta 175. I believe that's coming from Tulsa to Salt Lake City. Very good. I briefly looked at this one on flight radar, but it's supposed to be going to Centennial, but it says it's diverting to Denver. It's a VistaJet. Wonder if Baron pilot's flying it. That'd be cool. To loosen up my tripod. Gone. This is apparently a United 737-800 going from Denver to Miami. I'm curious to see what kind of planes we get tonight. I'm not usually out this late. It's about 7:45 at night. Only good thing coming from this time change we had a few weeks ago. Lighter nights. Off you go. What's that, an American? Behind tree cam, we're gonna lose it. Looks low to be an American, but anyway. It's an A321 going from Boston to Phoenix, if that's the American. Look at a global. Flight radar's not telling me where it's going to or coming from, but that's a global. 3,500, I think. The size of that contrail. Let's see, another United 737. It's going from Denver to Fort Myers. Must be the time of night where all the Florida flights from Denver are coming over. Oh, that American earlier. I was right. It was quite low. It was at 2,400 to 20. Wow. Flight level 240, 24,000. Wonder why. There we go. There's the Southwest from Denver to Jacksonville. Thank goodness for the sun being the way it is, because it's shining a really nice light on that Southwest. Well, there's supposed to be an aircraft somewhere over there. It's private jet going from, I believe it's a global. I don't remember. It's going from Thermal to Teterboro. 47,000 feet, so we probably wouldn't be able to get it anyway, but anyway, thanks for joining me and enjoy this view. and speak to you on the next one. Might edit that out. That was a crap outro. Anyway, bye-bye.